A pre-owned 2008 Lexus LS 460. 2008 Lexus LS 460. Timeless luxury. Unmatched power. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 91,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Experience refined power in this 2008 Lexus LS 460. With a 4.6L V8 engine pushing 380 horsepower and 367 lb-ft of torque, this ride blends performance with pure elegance. Dressed in black sapphire pearl and a luxurious black leather interior, it's a true head-turner. With under 91,000 miles, that's less than 6,000/year, it's clearly been pampered. Enjoy premium factory features and a smooth, quiet ride that feels like first class on wheels. Fuel efficiency? 16 city/24 highway MPG keeps things practical. Clean CARFAX. Excellent condition. Luxury has never looked this good. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.